Hey fellas, do you know this beast? A Hilti SV14-A, and this one is needed for no check, so let's check if we can change it so easily as on the Makita drills. And okay, the screw is getting out. That's a nice and good part, of course. No need to be happy before the time. So let's check, let's tighten the check. Just to hammer it like that. Oh. Don't be afraid to break it. It's not yours, it's customers. Okay, now means now. What can we do here next? We can put the nice little battery in and we can try to spin it like that. And that's all. We have done the job, we have removed the chuck. And now we are taking the good chuck, cheap one, but good chuck from my online shop. Check it in the description. And you can see how nicely it will look on this drill. Of course, if it will fit. Oh, nicely. It fits very good and very nice. So let's tighten it, and someone is calling for me. I will just try to put it here. Okay, we have the job done. That's all. Thumbs up, bye. I'm getting my phone.